Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Hansika Chauhan and I'm back with a new preparation video and it's for the subject Cost and Management Accounting, which is a subject of CA Intermediate Group 1. So I will be telling you various pointers which will surely help you to prepare this subject. Don't skip any point and let's start with the video. So for first I will be beginning with the chapters. So what I did, I divided whole of the costing subject chapters into the 3 levels. So it will be easy for you to begin your revision with, and you have to begin your revision with the chapters that are mentioned under level 1. So let's hear about the chapters. That is, under level 1 there are 3 chapters: material, labor and overheads. Then under level 2 there are 3 chapters again: standard, marginal and budget. So what you have to do is, after covering these 2 levels, you will be getting a coverage of around 50 marks, and these chapters are somewhat easy chapters compared to the chapters which will be covering in level 3. तो ये easy भी होंगे and coverage भी आपकी 50 marks की हो जाएगी. So it will benefit you a lot. Start your revision with these chapters for sure. Level 3 chapters are process, joint and byproduct, operating, contract, cost sheet, cost account system, unit and batch costing. So आपको फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड लेवल पहले कवर करना है and it will give you 50 marks coverage and then go for level 3. इसमें complex chapters हैं, so your time required will be more in these chapters. So the chapter which I felt is the most trickiest chapter of the costing subject is the marginal costing. Numerous of concepts हैं इस chapter में, and you have to go through each and every concept because you don't know what will come in the examination. So while going through this chapter, I am advising you to be sure that all the concepts are covered and practice the questions of all the concepts separately. Don't skip any concept. So one more chapter that requires more attention is the chapter process costing, because इसमें क्या है, हर क्वेश्चन में बहुत सारे अकाउंट्स बनते हैं, 3, 3, 4, 4 और 5 अकाउंट्स कैन बी देयर, एंड बहुत ज्यादा लेंथी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं एंड बहुत ज्यादा कैलकुलेशंस होती है. सो व्हाइल प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस क्वेश्चन, बी श्योर दैट यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग इट विद अ वेरी अटमोस्ट अटेंशन बिकॉज इट रिक्वायर्स वन. एंड अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करिए, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन करिए, भी बहुत टाइम है आप लोगों के पास. So as costing is also a practical subject, I know many of you might be following the same strategy for preparing this subject which you are following for the accounts and advanced account. I would like to stop you here. Don't go for the strategy you are doing for advanced accounts and accounts, because although this is a practical subject, but इसके बहुत ही अलग preparation strategy होनी चाहिए. So what happens while preparing costing subject is that while you are going through even one chapter, all the questions will have some unique point which you need to pay more focus on that point. Okay, मतलब हर क्वेश्चन का अपने लेवल पे कुछ ना कुछ यूनिक पॉइंट होगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हर क्वेश्चन मतलब एज इट इज है. लाइक अकाउंट्स में यू कैन फाइंड द क्वेश्चंस विच आर सिमिलर एंड उनके पॉइंट्स भी सिमिलर है, बट कॉस्टिंग में आपको एक ना एक पॉइंट हर क्वेश्चन में यूनिक मिलेगा. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट दिस इज योर फर्स्ट रिविजन गोइंग ऑन एंड अभी बहुत टाइम है आपके पास. सो मेक a note of all the unique points of the respective question and paste it with the question itself, so that when you will be revising it before your exams, it will help you to go through the unique point of that respective question. And इसमें बहुत हेल्प होगी बिकॉज इससे आपका टाइम भी बचेगा कि आपको हर क्वेश्चन को दोबारा गो थ्रू नहीं करना पड़ेगा. आप अब उसका यूनिक पॉइंट गो थ्रू करेंगे और टाइम भी सेव होगा और आउटपुट भी ज्यादा इफेक्टिव होगा. ओके, As this is a practical subject, you have to do writing practice, and again इसमें भी formats की importance बहुत है. Go for format preparation too, and to be 100% sure that all your concepts are covered, you can go for ICAI study material. You should go for ICAI study material at the end. First go for the faculty study material, then come to your ICAI study material and go through all the concepts, each and every illustration, each and every questions, क्योंकि ICAI स्टडी मटेरियल में जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं उसके बाहर से तो नहीं आएगा. सो वंस यू विल बी गोइंग थ्रू इट, यू विल बी गेनिंग इनफ कॉन्फिडेंस दैट या यू हैड कवर्ड ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. ओके, एंड डोंट स्किप एनी चैप्टर. फॉर मोर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यू कैन रेफर प्रीवियस ईयर RTP MTPs एंड द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स एंड द करंट ईयर RTP MTP एंड प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स जरूर रेफर करना, बिकॉज दे आर द वन विच विल गिव यू द परफेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट विल बी कमिंग इन योर एग्जामिनेशन. So don't skip previous year question papers and go for them. For advice, don't try to cram the questions. I know बहुत सारे बच्चे practical subjects में भी cramming opt करने का सोचते हैं, but don't go for it because costing के questions concept based होते हैं and cramming का इसमें कोई use ही नहीं है. So don't go for it. एंड बहुत ही थॉरली कॉन्सेप्ट्स के साथ गो थ्रू करिए, तभी आप क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट कर पाएंगे अच्छे से. So here's a brief about the costing subject paper. 80% paper always easy आता है and 20% paper hard आता है, and it's constant throughout the previous attempts too. So आप घबराना मत पेपर देख के that इतने tricky questions आए हैं. There will be tricky questions, but 80% majority paper easy आएगा. Tricky questions will be in the sense that they will be testing your conceptual knowledge. So if your concepts are clear, वो भी आपको tricky नहीं लगेंगे, okay? And moreover इसमें एक question last question is theory based. So if you are thinking of skipping any practical chapter, you can go for theory and you can attempt them and you can attempt that theory question itself because it comes under choice. Okay, so yeah, that's all for all the pointers for the subject costing, and you need to follow all the pointers to get more effective results. So that's all. So yeah guys, that's all for the video. I hope I had covered all the pointers for the preparation of the subject costing, and do follow all these pointers to get more effective results. Don't skip any point. Do the chapters in the order that I told you, and I am sure that it will give you more effective results. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Have a nice day and watch the video till the end. Bye bye.